So hello, welcome sa aking channel. So para sa vlog na to, ipa-perform natin ang experiment 2 sa subject na Internet of Things. So ang title ng experiment na to ay Connecting Devices to Build IoT. So ayan, na-open na natin yung ating packet tracer. Para sa objectives, to get familiar with using Packet Tracer 7.1 and its IoT connections. So para sa background and scenario, in this activity, you will build a connected solar-based power supply. So the sun charges a solar panel which sends electricity to the battery for power storage and distribution. A power meter connected between them reads and displays the amount of power being captured by the solar panel. Because all devices are connected to IoT, they register themselves with a registration server allowing a user to monitor the entire system from a web browser. Para sa part 1, adding and connecting the necessary device. So makikita natin, pag start natin, meron ng switch, PC, server, tapos 4 na LED. So, para sa first step, ayan, PT solar panel device, PT battery device, PT power meter device. Mag-add daw tayo niyan, makikita natin sa end devices under power grid. So, ito yung end devices, tapos power grid. Kailangan daw natin ng solar panel, battery, at saka itong power meter. Next step, using IoT custom cables, connect the solar panel and the battery to the power meter according to the table below. So, the IoT custom cable can be found under connections. So, ito yung connections, ito yung IoT custom cable. Connect lang daw natin sila. So, ayan, D0 to D0. Tapos, isa pa, D0 to D1. Ayan. So, next, using IoT custom cables again, i-connect natin yung LED sa battery. So, itong 4 na LED, connect daw natin sa battery. So, ito yung mga port, D1, D2, D3, D4. So, wala na yung D0 kasi nagamit na natin sa pag-connect nitong power meter. So, ngayon, IoT custom cable ulit. D0 ng LED, papunta sa D1. D0 ng LED, papunta sa D2. D0 ng LED, D3. Tapos D0, D4. So, ayan. So, next, letter F. Using an Ethernet straight-through cable, connect the Ethernet port of the solar power, battery, and power meter to the switch according to the table below. So, ayan. I-connect daw natin dito sa FA 0/3. 0/4 at 0/5 yung solar panel, power meter, at saka yung battery. So, ito yon, copper straight through. Ayan. Ayan, Ethernet. Connect daw natin siya dito. 0/3. Ito naman, 0/4. Tapos, ito naman, 0/5. So, ayan. Ngayon, nabuo na natin yung ating network. So, para sa part 2, configuring the devices. Now that the devices are properly cabled, they must be configured. Since the system relies on an IP network, the device must be configured with correct IP information. Since the server is configured to also act as a DHCP server, the IoT devices should be configured as DHCP clients in order to learn IP information automatically. So, isa-set down natin sa DHCP under IP configuration itong tatlong components natin. So, double-click lang natin under config, ito, gigabit, tapos set natin to DHCP yung IP configuration. So, gawin din natin siya sa power meter. At saka sa battery. Ayan. So, what IP addresses were learned by the solar panel, power meter, and battery? So, makikita natin yun by just hovering yung mouse papunta dun sa component. So, hover natin. Makikita natin IP address, katabi ng link, ayan, 1.0.0.3. Dito naman, 1.0.0.4. Dito naman, yun, 1.0.0.5. So next, before the devices can operate properly, they must register to the server. So ayan, dahil na-connect na natin sila dito sa switch, kailangan natin silang i-register sa server. So click daw natin yung solar panel, navigate to the config tab, settings, tapos select remote server under IoT server, tapos enter natin ito. Ayan yung server address, tapos ito yung username and password. And click connect. Tapos gawin daw natin yun sa power meter at saka sa battery. So, IoT, global settings. Ayan, dito sa baba, remote server 1.0.0.1. Tapos ang username at password ay admin. So, connect. Yan. So, gawin din natin dito sa power meter. Yan. So, ayan, okay na. So, next. So, sa part 3, using the system, ayan. So, ngayon, punta daw tayo sa PC. Tapos, web browser. Tapos, dito, type natin yung server kanina, which is 1.0.0.1. And then, ayan, hanapan tayo ng username and password, which is both admin, kasi in-input natin yun kanina. And then, sign in. So, lagi dito, how many devices are displayed in the page? What are their names? So, ito yon. Ang sagot ay 3. So, ang name ay solar, power meter, at saka battery. So, pag view natin sila, ayan, kita natin yung status nila. Ito, ayan, what hour yan, ito watts, ito ay battery percentage. So, next question ay, why are the other devices, the switch, the server, and the PC not listed? Is this a mistake? So, ito yon. Bakit daw itong 3 nakalista, pero itong 3 sa taas hindi? So, bakit? Pagkakamali daw ba yun? So, ang sagot doon ay hindi. Kasi, itong PC, component yan para makapag-communicate yung tao doon sa server. Ito naman, server, sa kanya nakaregister yung IP addresses nitong 3 IoT devices. So, paano sila nakakapag-communicate doon sa server? Gamit yung switch. Yung switch ay bridge ng PC, ng components, at saka ng server. So, ayun. So, dito, sa PC screen na to, kaya 3 lang yung nakikita natin kasi pinapakita lang dyan yung components na nakakonect sa ating server. So, yun. So, para sa ating reflection,